Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So here is me showing you guys how to re-moisturize and retwist your baby's hair. So first, I'm showing you guys here the accessories that I used. Here is just a simple accessory I can get for like $150 in your local market. The next is shea butter. Okay, you can use any cream of your choice. The third one is water. Okay, so that was basically what I used. So here is me showing you her hair before I started. The first step that I did, or the first step, is to apply water on her hair after removing the accessory from her hair. I apply water, and the reason I'm applying water is so that I can easily loosen the twist without having issues with tangles or anything. So the second thing, I put a little bit of shea butter in my hand and I run it through her hair to properly remove any shaded hair or any knots. And then once I'm done running through the butter, once I'm done applying the butter or removing any shed hair and I'm satisfied, I can then go in with my white tooth comb followed with my brush, and then I will retwist the hair. Guys, pardon me, this girl does not stay one place at all. Anyway, I retwist I will retwist the hair and then put the accessory back on her hair. Okay, that's the process. It is not a tedious one. There's something I need you guys to put in mind. This accessory that I'm using, this hairband that I'm using for her, I noticed after a while that if you leave it on for too long, it can get tangled up together with her hair at the roots. So you have to be careful when removing it. But you can decide to use this particular one, or you can use elastic. I prefer this one to elastic. All right, but it's just a matter of preference, a matter of choice. Is whatever that you choose. So another thing that I want to point out is that you can either decide to put the band before or after twisting the hair. The choice is yours. As you can see in this particular one, I'm putting the band before twisting the hair. All right, so you can do it this way or you can do it the other way, and you don't have to do it too much. Just do 4 times. It is okay. All right, don't do it too tight. Bear in mind that it's when you're removing it, you don't want it to tangle up for you. So that's why when you're putting this kind of thing, you have to be careful. So all right, let's take this step again. So apply water on the hair first, and then loose the twist, and then remove any shaded hair with a little bit of butter in your hand to make the process easier. Once you've removed any shaded hair or the shaded hair, and you're sure and you're okay, even the knots, you're sure that you removed everything, you can then go in with your comb. This is a baby's hair, and it's natural hair. You need to just be careful when handling it, guys. That's why I always say that if you don't have time to detangle and moisturize your hair, don't do it. Don't do it when you're in a hurry. Trust me, this natural hair, it has a mindset of its own. When you're in a hurry, you can get carried away and you pull the hair the way that you don't like, and the hair will start crying. How will you know that it's crying? It's when you start saying reactions like too much shedding and stuff like that. So you have to be careful when you are doing these things, okay? Especially when you are doing it on your baby's hair. So yeah, remember to be gentle. Gentleness is key. So once you are done removing all the shed hair, you can then go in with your white tooth comb, go in with your brush. Brush is not compulsory. It is something that I love doing, knowing fully well that the hair is already well detangled. The brush is just to smoothen everything down. So once you are done with that one, you can then retwist the hair, put back the accessories, and that is just it. It's very easy. It's very, very easy like that. And guys, what do you think? Is the hair not looking cute? I mean, I like this hairstyle though. Very easy to do, very, very baby like, baby girl like. I don't even know. Very easy to do, honestly speaking. Like, I can literally do this hair in under 1 hour. And when I say in under 1 hour, I am saying plus all the drag, all the runabout in the room that goes on when I'm making her hair and everything. I will still we'll do all of that and we'll still finish in under 1 hour. This hair is be honestly is my go-to hairstyle when I run out of idea on what to do to her hair. I just put it like this. It protects her hair, easy for me to lose, easy for me to make. It's just all around everything for me, and it's a great protective style too. So yeah, that's the whole video. That's just the summary of how to moisturize and detangle your baby's hair. Okay guys, if you are enjoying this video, please remember to give me a thumbs up. Remember to like this video, to subscribe to this channel to see more of us. Okay, thank you guys for watching my video. I will see you in another video. But before I sign out, actually I left a little clip of where my baby was blabbing. Like, guys, can you imagine, can you believe that this girl is going to 4 years old very soon, and yet her speech is anyway, if you can make out what she's saying in this video, please let me know in the comment section. All right, with that being said, I'll see you guys in my next video. Ciao ciao.